Hello everyone, Jessica here. Today, let's talk about animals. Animals. This is a manatee. Manatee. M-A-N-A-T-E-E. Manatee. Manatee. This is an ostrich. Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. This is a meerkat. Meerkat. M-E-E-R-K-A-T. Meerkat. Leopard. Leopard. L-E-O-P-A-R-D. Leopard. Alligator. Alligator. A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. Alligator. Crocodile. Crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. Crocodile. Gila Monster. Gila Monster. G-I-L-A-M-O-N-S-T-E-R. Gila Monster. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnake. R-A-T-T-L-E-S-N-A-K-E. Rattlesnake. Gray whale. Gray whale. G-R-A-Y-W-H-A-L-E. Gray whale. Gray whale. Next. King cobra. King cobra. K-I-N-G-C-O-B-R-A. King cobra. And last, Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. K-O-M-O-D-O. Komodo dragon. D-R-A-G-O-N. Komodo dragon. Okay, let's review. Manatee. Ostrich. Meerkat. Leopard. Alligator. Crocodile. Gila monster. Rattlesnake. Gray whale. King cobra. Komodo dragon. Okay, let's try to do them. You ready? Oh, I don't want to tell you. Sorry. Alright. Yeah. What's this? That's a gray whale. Gray whale. What's this? Leopard. Leopard. What's this? King cobra. King cobra. What's this? Manatee. Manatee. What's this? Crocodile. Crocodile. What's this? Alligator. Alligator. And look. This is a crocodile. This is an alligator. Oops. What's this? Meerkat. Meerkat. How about this? What's this? Ostrich. Ostrich. And what's this? Komodo Dragon. Komodo Dragon. What's this? Gila Monster. Gila Monster. Finally, what's this? Rattlesnake. Rattlesnake. Alright. Great job, everybody. Bye.